But you guys
Oh, David. Sarap. Done. Balcão viável. Salchicha, salchicha.
Yo, you gonna take that like that?
Et la salle pour bon.
Oui, mais...
Oui, balle là.
Hello, this is David, one of the 2023 Summer Abroad Program participant from Haitian Ruby Project, sponsored by CNET. I got to work as a camp counselor at Flathead Lutheran Bible Camp. It was a wonderful experience. The people at FLBC were amazing. The leaders of FLBC were exceptional. Shout out to Margie, Fiddler, Karen, Amanda, and Richie. The way they set me up for success in my role is something I hold close to my heart. Upon my arrival in the state on June 6, I had my suitcase taken away from me because I didn't check it in for one of the flights and I couldn't afford it either. Believe it or not, the whole staff show me so much compassion. Especially Moji, who all through the summer camp program would give me clothes. By the end of the summer, I had so many clothes. My favorite memory from this summer is Richie, who learned about my fiery dream of becoming a pilot. He surprised me with a trip to his friend Pilot Tom's place, who has a private airplane space. I got to pilot a small airplane up in the air for the first time, as I already got some ground training when I served at MAF in Haiti, but never got to do this in the air. Getting to pilot an airplane was my big memory this summer. Coming from Haiti to this has been like graduating from 1 to 10 in no time. I got some personal development which has made it possible to provide my mom the necessary support to afford some good health care, which I thank God big time for. I've got some invaluable leadership and initiative skills, and again, a better understanding on how an ideal community functions, as well as growth in my faith walk. One line that is stuck in my mind from this summer is, where God guides, He provides. As I go back to Haiti, I'll be resuming my role as research manager within the Haitian Ruby Project community. And we hope that as God continues to guide us in our mission of empowering the youth to meaningful adventures, initiative, and godly transformation, that He continue to provide the necessary resources and healthy network and connection to go in our vision, especially for our abroad program like this.
Slightly disappointed.
Watch yourself.
The more people tell you it's not possible, that it can't be done, the more you should be absolutely determined to prove them wrong. Treat the word impossible as nothing more than motivation.
Who brought the gospel in, but they call him an outlaw. Good woman, good cook, keep the woman, get the stomping, let me see you do a little something, but I hold them hope, put a Holy Ghost, put the Holy close, what else? Don't say turn up, this is the way that we say hallelujah, turn up, say turn up, came on the stage and they probably was booyah, preaching in the city, when it needs to be people on the streets, and they need to be confused, you and we can turn up, we turn what? We turn up and worship, we turn up, we turn what? We turn up and worship, we turn up, swag serves up like this. Never gonna ever see another who's better get up on my head, it's gonna matter what the weather, get together with the other, and together is a brother, cause the Savior gonna come and be loving us. Turn it up, guys, love you, say, hands up above.
Happy Ruby Day, nous célébrons quand même, malgré nous pas là. Di ba lot ki Haitian Ruby Project.
So, men ki jen ba yu, se travay, fait succès, supposé fait. Avec un groupe communauté, nous mettons, nous là qui pour nous environnement nous propre, nous travaillons, nous avons une opportunité côté qui peut casser vie pays. Il n'y a pas l'autre qui mène Haitian Way Project, il n'y a pas l'autre. So, les qui nous font bagarre, nous faisons fini, et ils permettent nous aider l'autre, et de faire développement personnel pour nous travailler. Il n'y a pas l'autre. C'est nettoyer ça, et puis nous vivons. So, pas de course de métier, tout ça faut faire, tout ça qu'il faut faire, il y a d'eau, il faut voir des bagages, mais ça qu'il faut faire. So, c'est comme ça, la vie de jeune pas facile. C'est faire ce qu'on se faire, faire son mérite fait pour te carrer de côté de besoin de là. So, c'est travail.
Yeah.